Good day, viewers. I am Okocha P. Marcel, and this is my channel. How powerful is the evidence tendered by Bola Tinubu and APC saying that Mr. Peter Obi is not a member of the Labour Party, or Mr. Peter Obi have not resigned from PDP before joining the Labour Party? How powerful is this evidence? About some hours ago, I published a video that I titled, Peter Obi is not a member of the Labour Party. Tinubu tenders evidence. So this is the title of the video. So when I read so many comments on the comment section, some persons were saying that no, and Tinubu did not just say that Peter Obi is not a member of the Labour Party. The context of Tinubu is that he was a member of the PDP, and at the same time he went on to join the Labour Party. So as you know, I used to do investigation very well. So there is nothing that is stopping me to do investigation about this. And this video is all about the outcome of the investigation. Now, let us start with Mr. Peter Obi's resignation letter from the PDP. Mr. Peter Obi tendered his resignation letter on the 20th of May, 2022. Mark that date, 20th of May, 2022. This is the resignation letter on the stream, but I did something for you. You can get your own copy because I put this letter in a drive. So you can check the link on the comment section or the description section so that you can have your own copy about this Peter Obi resignation letter. So after 7 days that Peter Obi resigned from the PDP, on the 27th of May 2022, that is when Peter Obi joined the Labour Party. Now, when it comes to the internal affairs of party, there are some levels you may intrude, there are some levels you may not intrude. So there is no law stopping Peter Obi not to enter another party, not to become a Labour Party membership, not to acquire Labour Party membership, or not to buy the form. As far as the party has unanimously adopted him, people that were vying for the party presidential, election primaries, the day of primary, they stepped down for Peter Obi. All these things, it was a process, and the court sees nothing wrong with it. So that evidence tendered by Tinubu is as weak as anything you could think. So if you are saying that this man is not a member of the Labour Party, or this man was in the Labour Party, he was in PDP, the document shows that you are lying already. The document shows that you are lying. Now, I have a hunch. I want you to listen to this. You see, this evidence Tinubu tender, this fake evidence, I'm not a lawyer anyway, I'm not a judge, from my own personal opinion, this fake evidence that Tinubu tendered to court could be the reason why somebody like Apapa, Arabambi, and others, they are trying all possible means to become the chairman of the Labour Party. Now, as it stands now, for example, Peter Obi and the Labour Party want to counter what Tinubu brought before the court. They will bring all these documents that shows that no, Peter Obi resigned before joining us. Look at Peter Obi Labour Party membership card. He has a membership card. He took picture with it when he entered the Labour Party. Look at our form. Look at where he registered. It's not mandatory that he must register in Anambra. Somebody like Kenneth Okonkwo got his membership card in Abuja. So it's not mandatory that you must register from the state you came from. So I want you to understand this from the point of the law. So the evidence is weak as you can think. Peter Obi is a bona fide member of the Labour Party. He resigned from PDP first before joining the Labour Party. And after joining the Labour Party, he bought form, he contested for the primary, and he was unopposed. He was unopposed. Where this issue could have maybe have a force is, maybe it's not any external person, it is Labour Party that say Peter Obi is not this, is not that, and they have evidence to prove it. So this evidence is very weak. You should not think about it. You should not, talk about it because it doesn't worth your energy. It doesn't worth, your time. You shouldn't pay much attention to that. That is why I'm taking time to explain this to you, to show you this document that Peter Obi resigned 7 days before he entered the Labour Party. So I don't know the basis of everything they have cooked. However, as I told you, and just imagine if somebody like Arabambi and Apapa are in the leadership position of the Labour Party, they could have even go and hide all these documents. They could have even go and hide Peter Obi membership card or denounce him. You could have seen the game plan. These people were calculating, running haters, doing all sort of things to make sure that they become the Labour Party chairman and executive. You know, they fly around, they go to so many places, they go to court, they fought so hard. And people were asking, who was bankrolling these people? Who were sponsoring them? Why were these people fighting so hard for this Labour Party leadership position? What is going on? Now your eyes has opened. You have seen where they were coming from and where they are going. Now, this evidence, those people could have helped to push it to make it look like, oh, what Tinubu tendered is real. If Arabambi and Apapa is the chairman of the Labour Party or chairman or the executive ESCOs or acting chairman, I don't know. But if they are in the leadership position now, they will push this evidence that Tinubu brought to the court today to make it look real, that what this man is saying could be true. So I thank God for people who do not mind them. Though we, the obedience, we stood against them. We stood against them online and offline, and we criticized their actions because their actions wasn't partisan. It wasn't partisan. So from the look of everything, we noticed that these people were sponsored by the opposition party like APC. That you cannot be doing all sort of things. Who gave the money? Today they will be flying executive private jet just to go to a party meeting. A party meeting. How much are you earning? So we saw all these things before time, and we knew that this is a calculated game plan, and these people are about to do something because of P2B. Where are they today since God stopped them? If these people are fighting real cause, they could have stayed in Labour Party. Their mission was so clear, so obvious, just to fight Labour Party because of P2B, to destroy the party, to kill everything. But glory to God, they failed. They absolutely failed. So when this evidence was tendered before the court, we are not talking about leadership or party or those things. Tinubu should come and defend what people are talking about, defend the election, defend your certificate, defend those things. Forget about Labour. That one is internal issues of the Labour Party. By the way, the Supreme Court of Nigeria, the Apex Court, has ruled against this, has ruled that the internal affairs of the party has to do with the party. So it is only the Labour Party or some people from the Labour Party that can come out and begin to talk about this, and court will listen to them. So this evidence doesn't have merit, and I will not talk about it anymore. I think this is the last video I am going to do. The reason why I am doing this second video about it, because I've done the first video, is because I just want to show you P2B letter of resignation, and for you to Google the day P2B entered into the Labour Party. So these are the things that you should have in mind. Do not lose your spirit. Be so strong, because the journey of having a new Nigeria is possible. So I'm wishing everybody, I'm not against anybody, the APC, the PDP, we all are Nigerians, but we are just saying, let the right thing be done. Don't rig election, don't do malpractice, don't do this. Let everything just work out well, let everything be okay. So let justice prevail where you have done manipulations. That is our stand. If you win election, we congratulate you. We love you. We work together to make sure Nigeria become a better place. But if you rig election, do not expect us to support you. Do not expect us not to criticize you. Do not expect us to close our mouth, because Nigeria belongs to everybody. And this is all about this video. I appreciate you for having time to listen to this video. See you on my next video. Thank you.